how to do this add your sticker right here and where to find it. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. So first of all, I want to say to you what this means. So it means that you have to add a random photo or you will have an unlucky New Year's Eve. So let me get you through it. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app and then from here click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. Now from this place, you will have to go to December Add Yours at Highlights, which is here. And here you will have the sticker. Click on the Add Yours button, and if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, or if the highlights are not loading, you will find some useful tutorials in the description box below, and make sure to check those out if you have problems with highlights not loading or not able to click on the Add Yours button. I also have, if you don't have the Messenger update, and how to fix it. So now we just have to get a random photo from our gallery. I will go with this one. This is just a photo with Spotify Wrapped. Now, when you're happy with it, you just have to share this with your friends. So guys, if you have some questions, you can comment in the comment section down below with your thoughts, what is not working for you, if it's working, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one and turn on the notification bell because I will post another video like this one soon. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.